Yo, it's Oct30 coming at you guys raw. And before I got any coffee in me too, bedhead and all. Well, we went ahead and we're gonna go ahead and measure up the ruler. It's what? It's
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock in the a.m. I think our last update was just at 2 o'clock. Well, guess what? This ain't cutting it. We went and got the big measuring stick. We got a 25-footer. I know. Mini princess. You gotta love the little things like her. Well, got the 25-footer because check this out. Check it out. Look at that.
You can't even
Look at the railing.
open that door.
Hey, I have no clue how we're going to do this. My tactical flip-flops aren't making it through this. And look at that poor pit bull. Look at her. No, get her on camera. Lolo. Look at Mama. She's like, I gotta go out there to go pee-pee. There you go. This is, again, we were messing around with this at 2 o'clock in the morning. And there's 13 inches. That's the stuff we actually moved away. Okay? There you go. This is how it rolls.
20 inches.
There's 20 inches for you folks. Just shy of 2 feet by 4. Let me do another measurement just to make sure we're not messing around.
It's very dark.
Well,
The camera.
here's your measurement. Because she was smart, grabbed it before we could say no. There's your 20 inches. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Someone's got to move this. Mamacita? Someone's got to move this. You want to help me out with that?
Move all the snow.
There you go.
Hey,
Hey.
we're going to need a lot
Hey,
of money.
for now, it's Oct30 saying thanks for the review, guys. Alright, how's the most gorgeous Mamacita in the whole wide world?
Just having my morning coffee.
Yeah, what do you think about, the snow?
The most I've ever seen, I think, in a long time.
Hey, YouTube world says that, thank God, our princesses look like you. What do you think about that? I said they got the best combo possible. They got your looks, my attitude.
I agree.
Okay.
But you're handsome too.
Oh, you got me blushing. Hey, what do you think about the snow?
It's gonna be a lot of work.
I can stay up here with the coffee, and when you get numb, I'll send a carrier pigeon down for you to get a cup of coffee. What do you think?
I think it's gonna definitely take both of us to move all this snow.
Yeah, your hard work and my admiration. Hey, for now, I love you. Thank you so much. Hey, are you surprised in just, what was that, like 6 hours?
Mm-hmm.
What? No, 4.
5 hours since we videoed.
Yeah, because you got to remember upload and everything else. So, but we videoed at 2 and then we got it up by 3. So.
Yeah, it's been 6 hours since we actually saw the snow.
What do you think? Is that amazing?
It's amazing.
All right. Hey, I love you.
Love you.
Out.